guys, so if you're watching this video, it means you are ready to take upon another chapter and create a second stream of income for yourself. So before we get started, I want to break down the two sides of the market. First, there are investors and then there are day traders, and you have to know which role you want to play on the market. Let me explain a little bit what investors are. Investors are in the market for the long term. They want to make long-term money, usually retirement money for themselves, by investing in companies that they believe in. Investors use fundamental analysis, which means they're looking at quarterly earnings. They're looking for balance sheets of a company. That way they can invest in a business that they believe in. Day traders, on the other hand, which is what we do at Ianti, we trade stocks for the short term. We are looking for up and down movements of the market every day. That way we can capitalize and make profit of every single stock that goes up and comes down. So let's go ahead and start with the 4 steps that you need to get started on the market. The first step that you need is a plan and some education. How much money do you want to make on the market? You have to ask yourself that question. But besides that question, before you can figure out the number that you want to make, you need education to know how you're going to make that number. Whether it's an extra $500 a month to pay for your car, or if it's $1,000 a month to pay your rent, you need education to know how to make that money, which is where our day trading course comes in handy. The course teaches you step by step how to get to your profit goals within 10 chapters. Second step you need is a trading platform. A trading platform is the middleman between you and the stock market. So say you want to buy Apple stock and it's currently trading at $200. You can't just go to Apple and buy a stock, obviously. You need a trading platform, which is the middleman, like I said, between you and the stock. Robinhood is my favorite trading platform for a beginner because it's accessible from anywhere in the world because you have it right on your phone. You can also access it on your computer. It's also commission free, which is perfect for a beginner. You're not paying commissions for every buy and sell that you do. It's also easy to read, so you're not overwhelmed with all these numbers. However, we do show you during our course how to read a professional trading platform because it will definitely come in handy for yourself and your stock market career. Also, Robinhood does not have a minimum amount of money that you need to start with them. Speaking of money, the next step, which is step 3, you need risk capital. Risk capital is the amount of money that you're willing to risk and put in the market. Now, how much money do you actually need to start? Well, you can start anywhere between $100 and $10,000. It really doesn't matter, but the more money in your account, the more likely you're gonna profit. But keep in mind that the proper education is what really makes you the profit. But please guys, don't go out there and put your monthly payment for your car for you to make money on the market. You need to have risk capital, which is money that you're willing to risk. Next step is emotional discipline, which is step number 4. Fear and greed are your enemies on the market, so you must maintain them outside of your trading platform. You need to go in with a clear mind, and emotional discipline is a key theme that I always repeat in our day trading course. That way you learn all the steps and learn when to get in and out of a stock at a proper basis without having too much ego and hold on to a losing stock, or too much pride and hang on to a winning stock for too long and then your profit goes sideways. So again, those are the 4 steps that you need to get started on the market. 1 is a plan and education, which Ianti provides you with. 2, a trading platform. 3, risk capital. And finally, emotional discipline. Thank you guys for visiting my page. If you guys want to buy the day trading course, it's available under the membership section. Remember, all payments are a one-time payment for a lifetime access of the course. Thank you again.